It's that time again, folks. Pronunciation challenge time. So we have 2 words to go over in today's challenge, and these words are requests that came in last week. So remember, if you have a word that you are struggling with, send it to me in the comments and we can practice it together. All right, let's get this party started. Our first word is conspicuous. This word has 4 syllables. Conspicuous. Our second syllable is our stressed syllable, conspicuous. Conspicuous. And the trick to this word is reducing the first and last syllable. So we want that vowel sound. Conspicuous. Conspicuous. And that third syllable is just a really fast U. Conspicuous. Conspicuous. Word number 2 is conceptualize. This word has 5 syllables. Conceptualize. Second syllable is our stressed syllable. Conceptualize. Remember, the first syllable and the fourth syllable have a completely reduced vowel sound. Conceptualize. So kun and ul. Conceptual eyes. 2 tricks for pronouncing this word correctly. Third syllable sounds kind of like the word shoe. Conceptualize. Conceptualize. And the last syllable sounds kind of like the word eyes. Conceptualize. Now, when you say this quickly, those words are going to shrink down a little bit. Conceptualize. Conceptualize. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have a word that you're struggling with. We can practice together. All right, good luck out there, and I'll see you next time.